showered about an hour ago, and then I did my makeup. So my hair is pretty much air dried. I blow dried it a little bit at the end, just like the roots and stuff. I just got new extensions, so they're pretty long right now, and they're a little bit wavy. Gives me a lot of volume, but it also means that I have to be more particular with how I style it so that it matches my hair, because my hair is pretty fine and thin. Like, this is my hair, these are the extensions. So we need to blend them. I'm first gonna start off with these two products. One is a Milbon product and the other is Kerastase. This is a heat protectant, so I'm gonna take like 2 pumps of that. I'm gonna put this on the ends of my hair and kind of work it up towards the middle, just to protect my hair, because we are gonna be heat styling it. I usually heat style it day 1 after I wash it, and then I don't have to heat style it for another 2 to 3 days, usually until my next wash day. Make sure that's all blended and worked in. I kind of just take the excess and put it up here, but I really don't do heat up here because of my extensions. I'll show them to you guys so that you can see the layers. They're actually really cool looking. These are K-tip extensions. You guys can see all the little keratin beads right there. I've been getting these for about 2 years now, and I absolutely love them. I can still run my fingers through my hair. I can do half up, half down. I can wear my hair up. I love them, and it gives me the length that I've always wanted, but I've never been able to grow my hair out that long because my hair is really fine and thin, and it just kind of like breaks off at a certain length. That is one of my goals this year though, is to work on my hair health. I really wanted to start scalp oiling, but with these extensions, you're not supposed to put oil at your roots. So I can't really do that. So I've just been oiling the ends of my hair, and I'll show you guys what oil I've been using. We'll do that after I style it. But for now, I'm gonna go in with the Milbon product. This is the Weightless Replenishing Mist. I just got this when I got these new extensions. It's also a heat protectant, so double layer. It also really hydrates your hair. It smells so good, by the way. When my stylist, Diana, used this on my hair, it just made it look so shiny and soft and hydrated. It was really hydrating to my hair. Okay, do like a pretty decent amount. Okay, now that we're soaked in heat protectant, I'm just gonna brush this through with my specific hair extensions brush. This has boar bristles or something with the normal hairbrush bristles. That combination is able to like reach the hair extensions and just make sure nothing is tangled. Let's get to the fun part, styling. I'm gonna use a steam straightener. I don't actually have water in this right now. It's kind of just a normal straightener right now. I take a section of hair. I think the biggest mistake you can make when doing this hairstyle is taking too big of a section. My hair is a bit more on the fine side, so I can actually take like a pretty decent sized section. But if you have thicker hair, take an even smaller section just to make sure it curls correctly at the end. So I'm gonna take my straightener and start up here, making sure not to hit my extensions because the heat will literally cause my extension to unbond and come out. I'm just gonna go straight for most of the strand, and then here towards the end I flip it out, and then I just kind of hang on to this piece right here so I can keep it separate from the rest of my hair. And look how beautiful that curl is. I then like grab this hair and I twist, and that's how it looks. I'm gonna put that in the back and then do the same thing straight for most of the hair, and then right at the end we twist. Honestly, it's like more so towards the halfway point of the strand of hair. I just go really slow on this part. I'm not too worried about burning my hair because all of this is extension, which I absolutely love. I'm not damaging my hair the way that I would be if I didn't have these extensions. And also we have the heat protectant. And twist. I always like to twist at the end because I feel like it just kind of locks in that curl. Like, look at that. That looks like you curled your hair with a curling iron, but it's a straightener. I kind of call this like my straight blowout. It looks really straight, but it just has this beautiful little flip right at the end. Now, since I'm getting towards the front, I'm going to separate my bangs that I geniusly cut myself. They are so uneven, it's actually hilarious, but it actually still looks good when I do this hairstyle because it looks like layers. I'm gonna take out that, looking so good. For my bangs, I'm gonna go more like kind of straight up, and I'm gonna twist immediately at the root and just kind of like go really slow with this, and then I like clamp at the end. I'm gonna grab like the shortest little pieces out of the bangs, and I'm gonna do those again. There we go. If you don't have bangs, your front pieces won't look like this. Like, you have to have some form of layers for it to kind of look like that and get a lot of volume right there. At least that's what I found when I didn't have layers. I was always looking for this look and I could never get it to happen because I just didn't have layers and bangs. All right, we're getting close to the front, so I'm gonna start separating the bangs. I want to do the shortest ones, like these little tiny ones together. Then I'll do like these longer ones that are still like shorter than the rest of my hair. When in doubt, go with the smaller section than you think. It's too big of a section, your hair is not going to curl. I'm literally just doing this with the viewfinder as my mirror, so I really hope that this is turning out how I like it. Okay, time for the baby bangs. Again, I'm just gonna go like straight up with it. I love when that happens. It's just so volumized. I'm gonna actually redo this side one more time, just to give it a little oomph. Like that. Okay, that's pretty much it. I am gonna go in with a hair oil on my ends really quickly. I'm using Way hair oil. This smells like gardenia. My boyfriend just got this for me for Christmas. I had the mini version and I told him I needed the big version. It smells so good. I grew up as a kid with gardenias like right outside the front of our kitchen. We would go outside and like see if there was any gardenia flowers. My mom would usually like pick one and bring it inside and just leave it on the counter to smell. I love the smell of white gardenias. I hope to have some someday outside my house. The next few days, I will also be putting the hair oil and like a leave-in conditioner in the ends, just kind of at nighttime to keep my roots really hydrated. And then this hairstyle will usually last me about 2 to 3 days. And then if I need to touch up, I can, but mostly I'm washing my hair like every 3 days. So then I'll just go ahead and like wash it, blow dry, and then do the same routine again. Another thing I like to do always, right after I wash it, I do use dry shampoo. This is the Chia Seed Volumizing Dry Shampoo by Hosk. I think that's how you say it. It is so good. This is the best dry shampoo. Oh, I'm literally out. Hold on, I have another bottle. I always get a pack of 2. This is actually the best dry shampoo I've ever used in my life, and I have tried so many different types of dry shampoo. I've tried drugstore, Target, like high-end, and I always come back to this Chia Seed dry shampoo. I don't know what it is. It just is super thin, so it doesn't feel like there's any product in your hair, but it does the best job at absorbing oil. And I really like to just do it around my hairline, kind of at the roots, and then at the crown. My hair looks so crazy right now. This process also helps me just kind of like loosen up my hair. I hate flat roots. I really do. I love like a straight, sleek hairstyle, but I hate flat roots. I just think my face looks smaller when my hair looks bigger. So that's always my goal when I'm doing my hair. I like to just run my fingers through it, loosen up the roots, kind of like toss it to one side, toss it to the other. And especially if you have longer hair or like you get extensions to get longer hair like me, the heaviness of your longer hair can weigh down. So it just naturally makes your hair look flatter, I guess. This is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I will have all the products that I used linked in the description down below. Nothing is sponsored. This is exactly what I use on an everyday, every week basis. If you guys want to see more beauty videos from me, comment down below what you're wanting me to film. Thanks so much for spending time with me today in my bathroom. I had so much fun doing this. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video.